Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to fix you have reached your character limit in ElevenLabs. So if you actually can see that message in ElevenLabs, it means you have used all the text characters allowed in your current plan for this billing period. So why this happened? In ElevenLabs, every plan has a monthly character limit. Okay, so when you generate too much audio, test voices repeatedly, regenerates the same text many times, you hit the monthly limit. So for the free plan, that's the monthly limit. So it's 10,000 credit or 10,000 character, and that's the remaining or the available for the amount, for example. Okay, so I didn't reach the 10,000 yet. So that's where you can check your usage. So the first fix is to wait for monthly resets. So your characters resets automatically on your billing address or your billing date. So that's my billing date for example, for the free plan. Okay. And once you get a subscription or a plan, you will get more characters to use, okay, or more credits. So that's the third fix or the third solution. It's to upgrade your plan. And as I told you, the higher plans give more characters. So right here, just go ahead and choose the plan that fits you, and then just go with subscribe. Then choose if you want to continue yearly or monthly, and then just fill the blanks with your card informations and the card holder name and the country or region right here. Then just check mark this box and that one and go with subscribe. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.